That is. Yeah, that's yeah.
Yep. Dude, I might die.
Damn, dude. That sucks.
300 health. I'm gonna sit here.
Bro, I had no deaths in this game.
Told you, dude. You suck.
I was deathless.
Gotta come back with the boat.
Yeah, I'm going toward the boat right now. I'm bummed. Oh, motherfucker!
There's like 5 boats over here.
Dude, I didn't build a boat. Fuck.
You want me to just ride one back? Come pick you up?
Yeah, come pick me up.
Give me. I'm healing right now. My fucking sword broke, so I got this shitty maul.
Damn, man, I had enough to get the fucking Signet too. Bro, if I had that fucking sword, I would have bullied her. What do we need? Silver to build a fucking portal again? I'm about to go hunt silver, bro.
Alright, just build another boat. Come here.
I thought you were coming to scoop me.
I'm still healing, and I think I'm just gonna fast travel back. It'd be way quicker for you to just build a boat.
Oh, okay.
I need to repair my shit anyways. Like, I'm gonna die. I want to drop all this shit off.
I don't want to repair my sword because I'm about to build a second one. But yeah, I guess I'll just come back, build a boat, and then go get it and then run away. Did you kill her?
Yeah, she's dead.
Alright, I'm going to build a fucking boat. Hold on. It's over here. Not enough ingredients. Excuse me? We don't have enough for the boats. So now we're fucked because all 5 boats are sitting across. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, does anybody have wooden boards and yarn?
Why isn't oh my materials? Yeah, I've got 2 wooden boards.
Yeah, hold on.
How many do we need? I got yarn, 1 yarn and 2 wooden boards.
Wait a minute, it says we have it. Do we not have it in the chest?
Here,
Alright, I'm fast traveling back.
Alright, I'm going to get the boat. Anybody want to come with me to go get my shit?
Yeah, let me... build this thing, okay?
I want to build this fucking sword and I want to go beat those people up on the fucking... the beach. Yo, how long are you guys staying up for?
Well, I
just have to get the kids on the bus. I'm not even tired.
I'm gonna be up till I leave. I gotta leave here like 9ish.
Where are you going?
I'm doing chemo today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you were off 2 weeks.
No, I delayed a couple days so I can go get my stuff. But after Friday, I should leave the hospital Friday, then I'll be off like 2 weeks.
Okay, so you're only doing it for 2 days. No, I thought you...
I don't know how you count like that, but...
What is it, Tuesday today? Wednesday?
It's Wednesday, Trent. Shut up.
Then 2 days.
Wednesday? You're including today, Trent. How many times do I go over this? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Nah, Wednesday's done already. I'm up.
You're a fucking idiot, Trent.
I found silver. I have 4 silver. Oh, found more silver. What did we need silver for?
to upgrade.
Alright, yeah, I have 7. I'm heading towards the beach right now. I don't know where anybody is. I'm just gonna say fucking go. I found more silver. I have 12. Oh, what the fuck? I just played a trick on me. Not cool.
What, you ready? I'm waiting on you. Oh wait, actually, before I go, I want to test something out.
What do you mean you
Wait,
ready?
where's
Waiting.
my souls?
If you died, you lost them.
Bruh.
Bro, you're saying, bruh. Dude, I had fucking almost
I don't care, shut up.
6,000.
I want to buy some more of those healing runes and just stack them all. So like when I sit here, I just get like 600 per tick.
Okay.
For every 3 seconds.
I'm over at the beach, so when you guys are ready.
Oh, I'm sitting there like, when are you going? And I'm sitting here by Silly.
Nice. Wasted my time.
You know what? That's how it feels. All I want to do is go get my stuff. Like, let me go in this cave. Let me go over here. Let me go over here. I've also got 3 runes on right now that I retain 25% of my stuff when I die.
Well, as soon as I get my shit, I'm using my rune. No, I'm not. That shit is on cooldown. Never mind.
Wait, are you fucking kidding me, Trent? I don't have that. You're gonna ride back in the boat with me.
True, because I don't have my rune either. I'm literally running in, grabbing my shit, and then running out. I can go make my Signet Blades 2, and then I should be chilling.
There's not enough for the Signet Blade 2. I just used all their stuff to make mine.
Really? Are you shitting me?
No,
I
mean, I did make one. I don't know.
I have 6 fingernails on my body. Yo. Let's roll. Is Silly coming or no?
I mean, there's only 2 that go on a boat, bud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. We need a bigger boat.
Well, we got 6 of them. I don't know. We might as well put them together.
Yeah, we should probably take a boat each. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, we needed the silver to make the fucking portal. That's what I remember now.
I just got some.
I have 12.
I have
14. No, that's flint. Where the fuck is silver? Bro, I'm lost. Oh, I see it. It's 12, like I said.
You can't go here, Trent. You gotta go to the right.
Oh,
Or the
really?
left.
Oh my god. Well, there's my chest. Is there no
To the right.
beach?
Oh wait, never mind. Left.
Holy fuck.
What are you doing, dude?
Yeah, I know.
Click S to turn. You fucking.
It's not, that's not the key for me.
Or whatever, dude.
Turn
Click
is
whatever
the
it to
analog stick.
Sail down. I don't care. If you're gonna turn, put the sails down.
How far is the beach for this shit? Dude,
It's like
fuck.
right over here. It's right over here, motherfucker. I think.
Bro. Are
Yeah,
you
it's right here.
Oh my god. Alright, we need to start. We're bringing both those boats back. Ah, damn. Over here. What the fuck did you just do? Turn around. You're going the wrong way. Here's your stairs over here. I'm running in, grabbing my shit. If it's still there, that would be ideal. No way they spawned back here again. Please tell me they didn't. Oh, what the fuck? I just smoked that fucking... What? Elite gem? Give me all this. Where's my chest? Sweet. I got all my loot. I just killed that boss with no problem.
I don't know what boss you're referring to.
It was a named enemy. Had a red skull next to his name.
Yeah, the first time I was there, there's the one that killed you that time and one of those. And I killed him and he dropped this gold thing, and she killed me and I didn't get to get it.
I got an elite gem.
Dude,
I'm going
I really
back.
took the longest way around.
Yes, you did. I'm going back to the boat.
I am too, once I figure out where the fuck.
Oh man. I probably should slow down and heal. Oh, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Did you get your stuff? Or whatever you needed to do?
I'm just taking over this thing for this stuff.
Alright, well I'm sailing. Later. No, I'm not. I'm at the wrong... What? No, I'm not.
Dude, I'm so close to leveling up.
Oh, I fucked up. Am I gonna die? Oh, dude. No way.
What?
I fucking died.
What killed you?
The ocean. If your swim bar empties, you automatically die.
I mean, yeah, I assumed that's what that was.
Oof.
I need another boat. Oh my god.
You guys did not bring back boats.
Well, that was the plan this time, and I guess...
No, I tried to
decided
swim around to the
back.
beach, man. I didn't try to swim around. I literally tried to swim around the corner to the beach and I fucking died.
There. Well,
I just built one.
yeah, so did I.
Now I have 2. Now we have 3.
Give my boat back, bitch.
What, you don't... Wait, what?
You already got one.
I didn't know. I thought... Now I gotta go grab my shit in the middle of the ocean. I hope the chests are still there. That would not be ideal. That had my elite gem and everything in it, son of a bitch. All my silver? I had like 12 silver. We could make fucking 2 portals with all that. Motherfucker.
No! I'm gonna die. No.
How are you gonna die with all your healing that you got?
Because I don't have that shit.
I thought you said you bought like 4 runes of it.
No, I said I wanted to, but I wasn't able to. Oh my god.
What the fuck? Silly, get over here. That's crazy.
Dude, I
Yeah.
have 100 health right now. I'm just running in circles. I don't know what else to do.
Silly, I'm gonna need you for the boat. I think I dropped both of them.
I have 1 health.
What the fuck? How is that even possible? Do you have 2 boats?
No, I only got 1.
What? Where'd my boat go?
Oh, I got 2. Never mind. Coming to you right now.
Bro, my shit's right here. Trevor, get ready because I'm about to come scoop you. If you can make it to...
There's no getting ready. I am fucking running for dear life right now.
Yeah, well... Hold on.
You guys won't leave me alone.
Fuck me, I'm in... Alright, if you can come towards where we're going, you can jump down and jump in my boat. Because
I'm healing right now. I'm healing. They finally ran off.
Woo!
I guess I could have just jumped in the boat and left.
What the fuck? Bro, silly, did you place me in a low tide?
Can you not get out?
No! Okay, there we go. There. This man put me in the fucking... the sand! Trevor, do you see where I'm coming up?
Yeah.
Alright, get
Yeah,
ready.
I'm right next to there.
Yeah, well, I'm coming up. I'm grabbing my shit.
I don't even have enough to get another one of those things.
Oh my god. I almost Titanic my shit right there. Oh my god, I almost Titanic that.
Hey, you went around the wrong way.
Just come over here and jump off.
Yeah, and die like you? Fuck no.
You're not gonna die, just jump in the boat.
Trent, don't yell at me. I'm nowhere near that, Trent.
Oh my god.
You're gonna have to give me a time. I'm gonna have to build up. Come here! Come here!
I got you.
If
I
I
got.
fucking die.
Jump in.
Trent, I almost bought a ticket to fucking New Jersey just to beat your fucking ass. Motherfucker.
Look at all our boats. Just jump, grab one of those. Bring one back.
I'm not fucking jumping out. You jump out.
Here.
Move, fucker.
6 boats over here. We need to make a portal, bro. I cannot believe I had almost 6k souls. I'm at 532.
The fucking Hydra, dude.
Yeah, I wonder what you get from killing that thing.
I don't know. I kind of want to find out, though. I don't know how we're supposed to attack them, though.
Park the boat, hit him.
Trent, you're not even near the beach. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I am. I'm on the beach right here.
Oh, well, I'm somewhere else.
Oh man. What am I doing? I have a mount. Fucking going to get my fucking blade level up. Holy fuck. It's 7:30. Oh my god, I gotta get the
Hey,
kids
I'm level
up.
10. How do I use the? Oh, oh, I see. I see.
Just hold it. I don't know if it's toggle. I have to hold A. I don't
Yeah, I
know
gotta
what.
hold it.
Yeah, I got full mine too.
I have 5 ancient cores. Oh man. We're making hella progress though. I would assume so. I don't know. I'm building a fucking thing. Weapon furnace, Signet's blade 2. Yes. What did you need to craft with the raw iron? Was it the shield rack?
It's for the. No.
The mining stand? No, you need 6 gold for that. Never mind.
I think it was the mining thing because we had the gold.
I'm not seeing anything here. Alright, what I wanted to do, do I need to repair my fucking armor here? Sure do. Need level 3, man. Alright. Motherfucker, I forgot to build the portal. Should I build a couple?
Couple what?
Portals.
I mean, go for it. But I wouldn't place more than one down if they're gonna disappear after like.
I don't
20
think
minutes.
they disappear.
Well, you say that, yet we're fucking portals.
It says they're invincible against damage. So, what's the what? I'll be right back. I gotta go get the kids ready. I'm gonna stop my recording.